Niue government's website is temporarily unavailable as web host Safi Technology, who Niue signed an agreement with, went into liquidation, causing concern to many. However, the confusion caused has been with the actual company who hosts Niue's website, Jet Host New Zealand. Safi Technology is the parent company who signed the agreement with Niue government, but subcontract to Jet Host. According to Secretary of Government Richard Hipa, government is in the process of collecting information of what happened with Safi Technology and what it means for Niue. However, he said there will not be any agreement signed in haste till government establish who is reliable to carry out web hosting for Niue government. ISO manager Scan Misiapu said Jet Host is still in operation and Niue is trying to ratify the misinformation. We'll bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin.